peach cobbler dump cake on the Ninja wood fire outdoor grill. Hey, welcome back to Smokin and Drinkin. I'm Mike and we're at the lake again. And today we're going to make a dessert. We're going to make a peach cobbler dump cake. It's a simple recipe with only 4 ingredients. Fresh peaches sliced, butter, yellow cake mix, and cinnamon. I already sliced the peaches. So let's go ahead and I modified just like on the pineapple upside down cake that we did. Since our basket has holes in it, we needed to put a liner in, so I just got an aluminum cake pan. Had to trim it a little bit to fit in our Ninja OG. So let's put that inside our basket. I'm just going to put these 4 fresh whole peaches, skinned, pitted. Didn't get sliced. You can use canned peaches, but we had some peaches that we bought at the market, so put those in, and then you put cinnamon, sprinkle cinnamon liberally over the peaches. Whoop. Okay, liberally. We're looking for liberal. It's really going to add some zing to the cobbler. Okay. Then just sprinkle your yellow cake mix over the peaches. Very simple recipe. Supposed to be simple. And then spread the cake mix out evenly over the peaches. Get them all covered up. Put to bed. And then we just slice our 1.5 sticks of butter into pats and lay them over the top. Should have sliced these beforehand. I'll get these all sliced up and we'll be right back. Alright, we got our 1.5 cups of butter, or 1.5 sticks sliced, and you just lay them right on top. That's what's going to melt into it. Okay, we've got our peach cobbler dump cake mix put together, butter on top. Let's head over to the Ninja outdoor grill and get it to baking. Alright, let's get it on the Ninja wood fire outdoor grill. We're going to set the smoker on bake, and we're going to set our temperature at 375, and we're going to go for 45 minutes. So you're going to want to preheat. We'll just let that go, and we'll check back in 45 minutes. About 30 minutes. Let's take a peek how it's doing. Oh my. Yeah, I think that's going to be done real soon. Okay, so we'll go a little longer. All right, it's been about 20 minutes, but I think we're done here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it again. Oh yeah, it's done. So let's get that off of the grill. Back over to the table. hot. Turn that off. All right, we've got the peach cobbler dump cake off of the Ninja. Probably let it go just maybe a hair too long, but that's okay. When you're out at the lake, you get what you get. So let's give it a taste here. It's gonna be lava hot, but I can't wait to give it a taste here. Ooh. Oh wow, that is so good. You get the peach flavor, the juicy peaches, and that cinnamon really adds that little bit of pop to it. And then of course the cake crunch on top is delicious. So there you have it. That's it for Smokin' and Drinkin'. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, Prost!